Hello, everybody.
Welcome to another special edition.
Sorry, why scaring you, Sylvester Pie? My, it's such a beautiful day. Don't you guys think? Yo, for sure, cuz, gonna be a nice day. Yo, we best to fly caught up in this. You see these clouds we got going on? You see these clouds? Do you see these clouds? Look at all them clouds. Bruh. My neck hurts, bruh. I'd say we'd be best to fly quite, yes. I'll quite like that, I'll tell you. I likes that idea a lot. I likes that idea. I love kites. Kites and myself go hand in hand. It's like, how you would say, fun.
Oh yeah, let's go do this. Yeah, let's go do this right now. We're gonna fly a kite. I said we all gonna work out. Get your jogging on. Everybody get some jogging in. Do some jogging. Do some ride the block. You fly the kite. I'll race the kite. I'll go over there and you fly the kite. And I'll race to the other end of the field. And I'll get that kite. I tell you, I can do it. I can do it.
You know, I agree. It's a very beautiful day. We really should fly the kite. Flying a kite would be good. I can't believe you guys are very excited about flying kites. I didn't think the rest of you guys would enjoy flying kites. I didn't know. It's a good thing to know. I think I like you guys even more now. Yo, that's for real, son. That's legit. I like them kites. You don't even know. I like kites. You don't even know me, bruh. You really said it. I love kites, bro. I be flying it through the sky. I fly them through the sky, bro. I like legit though. I like swerve. I get the kites go up and I be like swerve, and and then they go right back up to the ground. Be like, oh, let me go to the left. I be swerve, and I like, oh, I mean, you don't even know me though. Yo, tell them I love them kites. I love kites though. Oh, Jiminy Cricket, he loves the fight. He loves it. Quite loves it a lot. It really does. It does. It really does. The funny thing is that you don't even know. Ha 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 ho ho he he. I like them cats. You didn't know I like the cat. I know everybody over here like cat. Kind of good, kind of feeling the two best sports is best at is the kite flying and the frisbee throwing. That's what I like to do. I like kites, but frisbee, that's my sport. Do you don't even know. Yeah, no, I like this sport. I like this sport. Keep myself active. Healthy, eat the healthiest dog. What are we going to eat anything? I said, always get that. Yo, come on. Oh, snap. Well, I gotta say, this is really amazing, guys. I think it's gonna be a fun day then. It's gonna be a fun day. I love kites, bro. I be flying it through the sky. There's a light bulb right here. I almost hit that. I'm doing faces under here. You can't see my eyes, but I'm doing faces.
Why did it?
I gotta clean this up.
Somebody get me a towel.